Amazon accidentally gave me a free phone. So a couple of weeks ago, I purchased a phone and a phone case on Amazon. The entire order was around $800. Fast forward to a couple of days ago, I ordered another case and was thinking about returning the original case. I spoke to an Amazon rep on chat, telling them I was thinking about returning the case only, and asked if I needed the original packaging. They told me I could keep the case and they would give me a refund for the case. I specifically said I was only thinking about returning the case, not the phone. Then, this morning, I checked the order on the website, and it showed that they were processing a refund for the entire order. I freaked out and called them and told them I was only requesting a refund for the case only. She put me on hold, looked through the chat, spoke to one of the managers, and came back on the line and told me it was a mistake. She said I could keep the phone too because they can't cancel the refund. I was very surprised and asked her if she was sure and whether this could cause my account to get banned. She laughed and reassured me that it wouldn't. Now, of course, I'm not complaining about getting a free phone, but I'm wondering if they are going to try to collect this money again in the future.